generative AI has been making waves across industries, like from travel to e-commerce to healthcare, and we are seeing practical application emerge every day for it. So, could you share some like real-world use cases that excites you the most?
Oh, there are plenty. I mean, with generative AI, I think there is so many. So let's look at one particular use case, and I can go deeper into what I've been building last few years, and this is particularly in the travel space. But let me take up a slightly tangential, slightly different example here. Let's talk about, let's talk about lending as an industry, right? Financial services and lending. So lending, a big problem is collections, right? When specifically in B2C, for example, now I've seen both the sides of the chain, B2C and B2C, B2B in lending, but broadly collections is a big problem. So you have agents who are collecting money from users who are either about to default on a loan or have already defaulted. So now collections is a big problem. Companies like ThinkSkid.ai are building similar products, and many others now with conversational AI agents built by 11 Labs AI. This has really been streamlined. So what used to happen was, in every, for example, I was working at Udaan previously. We had a lot of people on the ground going to each and every house and collecting money from people who have defaulted or are about to default, right? So collections is a huge industry in India now, and even across the globe. Now what we can do through generative AI is automate this process, right? Essentially have conversational AI agents, or simply chatbots, voice bots or something, right? So all of that reduces, let's say, for every 10 people who we have lent to, we need one agent sort of.